Topping your news tonight, attorney Mike Phillips says a same-sex marriage lawsuit filed in district court is not just a simple case that can be decided with a mere yes or no. Contrary to the same-sex couple's attorney's assertions, Phillips says it's a complicated and sensitive case that's being played out in the public. As such, he believes it should not be rushed to judgment. Attorney Mike Phillips, filing on behalf of Governor Eddie Calvo and Public Health Registrar Carolyn Garrido, continued to urge the district court to stay all proceedings on a lawsuit filed last month by Kathleen Aguero and Loretta Pangilinan, a same-sex couple seeking to challenge Guam's marriage laws after they were denied the right to marry last month. The couple's attorneys, Bill Pesh with Guam Family Law and Mitchell and Todd Thompson of the Thompson, Gutierrez and Alcantara law firm, say Guam's marriage laws have already been declared unconstitutional. The attorneys cited a Ninth Circuit ruling in Latta versus Otter that lifted bans on same-sex marriage. Attorney General Elizabeth Barrett Anderson likewise stated in a memorandum that Guam should begin allowing for same-sex marriage, as the Ninth Circuit Court has already ruled in favor of same-sex marriage. Barrett Anderson even advised Governor Calvo that the lawsuit is indefensible. But the governor insists on waiting for a U.S. Supreme Court decision that will likely resolve the issue for Guam. The gay couple's attorneys contend that there is no need to wait for the Supreme Court ruling, however, at the end of June, citing case law that states federal courts must abide by their circuit courts, regardless of any pending rulings from the Supreme Court. Phillips says he doesn't dispute this, but notes the court should proceed with great caution on public interest cases such as this, given its sensitivity and, quote, in order to avoid unnecessary polarization of our small community. Phillips also says that while the governor has no problem with healthy advocacy, he asks the plaintiffs to keep in mind that the governor's obligation is to all citizens of Guam. With that, Phillips asked that the federal court either grant a stay until the Supreme Court's ruling or an order that grants a same-sex couple's request for a preliminary injunction while simultaneously staying further proceedings until a Supreme Court ruling. Phillips also points out that the AG merely issued a memorandum, not a legal opinion. The legislature has not amended Guam's marriage laws, and despite a Ninth Circuit ruling, no court has suspended or found our marriage laws to be in violation of the Organic Act of Guam.